LED lights for bedrooms, modern bedroom lighting ideas. LED lights are one of the easiest and most affordable ways to transform any bedroom into a cozy, stylish, and relaxing space. Whether you love a modern, minimalist, or luxury interior, the right LED lighting can completely change the mood of your room. Start by adding LED strip lights behind your headboard. This creates a soft glow that makes the bed the focal point of the room while adding warmth and elegance. You can also install LED lights under the bed to create a floating effect, making the bedroom feel more spacious and contemporary. For a sophisticated look, consider recessed ceiling LED lights. They provide bright, even illumination without taking up visual space. Pair them with dimmable controls so you can easily switch from bright lighting during the day to a calm, relaxing atmosphere at night. Smart RGB LED lights are another popular choice. They allow you to change colors and brightness using a remote control or smartphone app. Warm white is perfect for relaxing evenings, while cool white is ideal for reading or getting ready in the morning. Soft blue or purple tones can create a peaceful and luxurious ambience. Wall-mounted LED sconces are both decorative and practical. They save space on bedside tables while providing focused lighting for reading. You can also highlight artwork, shelves, or decorative wall panels with hidden LED strips to give your bedroom a premium designer look. When choosing LED lights, always select energy-efficient